Welcome to this lesson on adverbs of frequency. Today, we will focus on 4 specific adverbs that express negative or very low frequency. These are rarely, seldom, hardly ever, and never. These words help us describe actions that happen very infrequently or not at all in our daily lives. Negative frequency adverbs are special words that tell us how often something happens, specifically when actions occur very infrequently or not at all. These adverbs fall on the lower end of the frequency scale, ranging from 0% to about 20%. This means that when you use these words, you are describing actions that rarely take place in your routine. Let's start with the word never. Never means 0% frequency. It indicates that something does not happen at any time, not once, not ever. When you say you never do something, you mean there are absolutely 0 occurrences of that action. For example, I never eat meat means you do not eat meat at all, not even once. Another example is she never arrives late, which tells us that she always arrives on time, and being late simply does not happen. Next is hardly ever. This adverb represents about 5% frequency. Hardly ever means almost never or very rarely. It describes actions that happen extremely infrequently, but there might be 1 or 2 rare occasions. For instance, we hardly ever go to the cinema suggests that going to the cinema is something you do maybe once or twice a year at most. Similarly, he hardly ever calls his friends indicates that calling friends is not a regular habit for him. The word rarely indicates approximately 10% frequency. Rarely means not often or very infrequently. It describes something that happens once in a while, but is still quite uncommon. For example, they rarely watch television means that watching television is not a common activity for them. Another example is I rarely drink coffee, which shows that drinking coffee is not part of the regular routine, though it might happen occasionally. Seldom is similar to rarely and represents about 10 to 15% frequency. Seldom means not often and carries a slightly more formal tone compared to rarely. This word is more commonly used in written English than in everyday spoken language. For example, she seldom visits her hometown tells us that hometown visits are infrequent. We seldom see snow here means that snow is an uncommon occurrence in that location. Now let's learn where to place these adverbs in a sentence. These frequency adverbs go before the main verb. The pattern is subject plus adverb plus verb. For example, I rarely eat fast food. Here, rarely comes before the verb eat. Another example is she never smokes, where never is positioned before the verb smokes. This placement is very important for constructing grammatically correct sentences. Here is a crucial rule you must remember. Always use these adverbs with affirmative verbs. Never combine them with negative words like not or do not. This is because these adverbs already carry a negative meaning, and adding another negative creates a double negative, which is grammatically incorrect in standard English. For example, saying I do not never eat meat is wrong. The correct way is simply I never eat meat. Remember, since never already means 0%, there is no need to add do not.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.